What?
That way important.
What's very important?
That way important. But it's going to give you boo-boo.
What's gonna give you a boo-boo?
That's going to give you boo-boo. And right here.
Where?
That's going to give you boo-boo.
Oh, what is it?
A robot that can get you up.
It tears you up?
No, it tears you up.
It scares me?
Yeah,
It's gonna scare me up?
yeah.
Okay.
Because it's way important and don't turn it on.
Okay.
Cause.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it on right now.
No!
Why?
Because it's way important.
So I can't turn it on?
No.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it on.
No!
Okay, alright. You don't wanna turn it on?
No.
Why not?
Cause it's way important.
Okay, it's very important. I won't turn it on. You scared of it?
Yeah. No, I'm not there with it. His name's Stereo.
It's
His name's Stereo.
Scario?
No. His name's Stereo.
Oh.
His name's Stereo. His name's Stereo. And then his buses.
Okay.
His bus. Ow.
Alright. You want to get some bacon for Aunt Jenny and Aunt Dee Dee?
No.
You don't want to bring them some?
No.
Why not?
You can't turn on. Can't turn on. You can't turn on. You can't turn on.
Alright. Oh, I'm going to turn it on.
No! No!
Okay, why not?
Guys, the bag you says.
What is it again?
It goes.
Oh, and it goes?
Yeah.
Okay.